What's up everyone, I'm Roxy, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you 3 easy bullet journal spreads. And I'm no bullet journaler, but these are 3 easy ideas if you're now starting off bullet journaling that you can practice and ease your way into journaling. But this video is also fun because it's a collab with my friend Marquita from At Home with Kita, and she'll be sharing with you her plan with me for a week in April. Her channel is all about planning and organizing and I love it so much. She's such an amazing person and I'm so excited to be doing this collab with her. So if you want to see Marquita's video, you can check the link down below and subscribe to her channel because she's so amazing. You will love her just as much as me, especially if you're all about that planner life. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and it gives you some ideas on how to use your bullet journal spread. Thumbs this video up if you want to see a lot more like it. And now let's get started. The first way you can use your bullet journal is by making a travel wish list. I went on Pinterest and found pictures of the travel locations that I want to visit and then printed them out. I chose the Amalfi Coast in Italy, Cappadocia in Turkey, the Bali rice fields, and Mykonos, Greece. Once I had my pictures printed, I then stuck them in alternating positions. So one was at the left and one was at the right. And then next to the pictures, I filled in exactly what I wanted to do and where I wanted to visit. Oh, and in case you wanted to know, the pen that I'm using is a Pilot Super Gel in number 7. It writes really smoothly and the pigment is a rich black ink, so I linked it in down below in case you wanted to try it. I also added in curly arrows and then little accent lines around the titles to really make them pop. This is such an easy and simple starter layout for your bullet journal, and you can use it for wish lists, recipes, movies, or even books to read. And you didn't even have to stress yourself over doing a really complicated spread, and it looks amazing. The second easy spread is to use it to plan a week on one page. I started off by writing in the month and the week at the top of the page, and then at the side like you're seeing here, I wrote out all the dates in the month, so it's like a monthly calendar. So you'll have an idea of all the days in the month. Underneath that, I'm using a ruler and a purple marker to draw a rectangular box, and then I put things to do as the heading, but you can go ahead and put notes, remember, contact, email, or whatever you want to put in that little box. And then I use the same marker to outline the days of the week in my monthly calendar, and these markers are from the Crayola dual brush set, and I will also link that in case you want to check them out. Back on the next side, I started writing the days of the week, and you're actually seeing me count 8 dots between each date so that it looks evenly spaced. And then I wrote in weekend underneath the things to do box. The next side of the marker is a brush tip, so I used that to highlight the days of the week as well as the week I'm planning for in my monthly calendar. Okay, so here's where it's time to get creative. I started drawing lavender flowers throughout my spread. These are some of the easiest flowers to start drawing in your bullet journal because it really doesn't have to be perfect. I went over the flowers with a darker marker just to make it look more detailed. And I linked in my Pinterest board down below because I have a ton of doodles and stuff that I saved for your bullet journal that you can go ahead and check out if you're interested in doing more doodles and learning how to draw. Stickers are a great way to fill up your bullet journal when you're running out of ideas. So I used this mini succulent one that matched my theme, and I stuck it in right on top of my spread over the monthly calendar. Okay, so to use your spread, you just write in the things you have to do under each day and fill in your things to do list. This layout is just perfect if you're looking for an easy, minimal way to plan your week in your bullet journal. The third layout is a weekly spread across 2 pages of your bullet journal. Don't worry, it's still pretty simple and easy to do. I wrote in the month and year at the top corner of the spread and then started writing out the days of the week on alternating sides. So Monday's on the right, Tuesday on the left, and then I continued that for the rest of the week. I underlined the days and then drew in little heart check boxes with my pen. I wanted a really earthy green spread, so I stuck in pictures of plants and greenhouses so that it also alternated throughout my spread. I also had some patterned washi tape samples from a sticker subscription box, and I used the black and white strips to add some contrast to my spread. And I thought the contrast went really well with the green in my spread. I had these Happy Planner stickers that were clear with gold foil in them, and I stuck one of them on the darker cactus picture. Clear foil stickers like these are really fun because you can add them onto a lot of backgrounds and it looks really fancy. but they're kind of pricey though, so I kind of save them and use them every once in a while. Again, this was an easy spread to do if you want to try bullet journaling. It's of course more spacious than the week on one page, but that just means that you have a lot of extra space so you can use it to plan your workouts, meals, and everyday things to do. Okay, so that is the end of these 3 easy bullet journal spreads. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know which one is your favorite and which one you're most excited to try. Don't forget to also check out Marquita's video linked down below. Thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any fun content. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.